Exercise number 5.2, 16th question. Determine the AP whose third term is 16. We want to find out the AP, right? Whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So, two conditions they told. First thing, third term is 16. Third term means what? A3 is equal to 16. Second, what they told you? The seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. And what you have to find out? You have to find out AP. For the AP, what all things we want? We want A and D. So, for A and D, what you have to find out? You have to find out the conditions. So, first condition is over now. Second condition, what they told? Seventh term exceeds. You have to just think about seventh term is exceed the fifth term by 12. Okay, seventh term is means what? A7 is means equal, exceeds means plus fifth term by 12. A5 plus 12. Okay, now we will do first. A3 is equal to 16 means what? A plus 2D equals 16. Right? This will be the equation number 1. Now, next section, A7 equals A5 plus 12. Right? This condition I am just writing here. Okay, just expand it. A7 means A plus 6D equals A plus 4D. A5 means A plus 4D plus 12. Right? Now, take the common. It is A is there. In between equal sign is there. Same with the same sign. A we can cancel A. Now, take this 4D to this side. It will be minus 4D equals 12. So, 6D minus 4D, it will be 2D equals 12. D is equal to 12 by 2. We will get the answer 6. Now, we got 6. For the AP, first thing we got. Now, just substitute this D is equal to 6 in first equation. So, substitute D is equal to 6 in equation number 1. It gives A plus 2 into 6 equals 16. A plus 12 equals 16. A equals 16 minus 12. A is equal to 4 you got. Right? What is the next step then? AP have to find out. For the AP, what all things we know? A is equal to 4 first term. A is equal to 4. Then A2, it is A plus D. That means A2 is equal to, A is what? A is equal to 4 plus D is equal to 6. So, A2 is equal to 10. Then A3, A2 plus D. A2 means it is 10 plus D is 6. A3 is equal to 16. Otherwise, A plus 2D also you can take. Now, it will be enough. So, AP is first one 4, 10, 16, etc. Clear? This will be the answer. This is an example question, 8th example. We are writing as the 4th question. Find the 11th term from the last term. From the last term, you have to find out the 11th term. And towards the first term means from the last term itself. Of the AP, 10, 7, 4, etc., negative 72. So, AP is given and you have to find out the 11th term. Not from the front, from the back. Okay. So, from the front means what will happen? What all things we have? So, A is equal to 10. Right? D equals 7 minus 10. You will get the answer negative 3 you will get. Right? So, from the back side means from the last term. From the last term what happens? A becomes what? A is equal to negative 62 and D you have to take it as opposite sign you have to take. Here from here it is, we are taking like this A2 minus A1. Right? From there you have to take the opposite sign. Which D is here? Opposite sign you have to take. So, D is equal to positive 3. Right? What you have to find out? You have to find out 11th term. That means A11 equals A plus 10D. Now A11, it is you have to find out. Then A is negative 62 plus 10 into D is 3. A11 equals negative 62 plus 30. Then A11 equals, what happens, it is subtraction you have to do. So 2 and 3, negative 32 you will get the answer. It's an important question also, because the children will be confused what you have to take and all. So what you should do, from the last term means take the last term as A, and then D, what you are getting here, when you first term you are taking, no, that D, it should be opposite sign you have to do. That is the main important things you have to remember. Opposite sign, same number but opposite sign. Just apply, you will get the answer. And what you have to write at the last, negative 32 is the 11th term from the last term. This is example number 10, fifth question. In a flower bed, there are 23 plants in the first row and 21 in the second, 19 in the third, and so on. There are 5 rose plants in the last row. 5 rose plants. So first row 23, right? So here it will be first row 23, right? Then the second row 21. Then 19 in the third. Okay, this is second row, this is third row, and so on. Goes on. And then there are 5 rose plants in the last row. So at the last it is 5 rose plants. How many rows are there in the flower bed? So how many rows are there, which is this one? This last row means which is the last number, right? Okay, how will you find out now? What all this is given? Is it in for AP? So we'll write now. First one, the rose plants in the first row, second row, third row, etc. Last row are, how much first row is? 23, then next one 21, then next one 19, then etc. 5 is the last one. Last comes means what you should remember? It is AN or L. Okay. Then first thing you find out, A is 23. What about D? Is it in AP first? How will you find out? So first we will write A is equal to 23. Then D is equal to 21 minus 23. We will get the answer negative 2. Again we will check it. D equals 19 minus 21. D equals negative 2 you will get. So D is same. That means it is in AP. What is the next step then? You have to find out the how many rows, total number of rows. So what you have to find out then? N you have to find out. Other all the things are given. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is what? 5 equals A is 23 plus N minus 1. N is not given, minus 1 into D is negative 2. So Y equals 23. For 5 minus 23 will take equals N minus 1 into negative 2. 5 minus 23, what will I get? Negative 18 equals N minus 1 into negative 2. Take this negative 2 this side. So it will be negative 18 divided by negative 2 equals N minus 1. So it will be 9 equals N minus 1. N is equal to 9 plus 1, 10. There will be 10 rows. There will be 10 rows. Clear? If AN is given means you have to find out. Always confusion will be coming as which is AN, which is N. So remember last term given means it is AN, it will be. This is question number 19 from exercise number 5.2. Just read the question. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. Okay, then in which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? So what are things given? What are the things we have to find out? So first thing, Subbrao started his work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000. Here they are telling about the rupees, not for the year. So there is no need to give importance to 1995. Okay, give the importance to the money. First one, the annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of, means like bonus, rupees 200 each year, means adding of 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? So what all things we can say? He started his work 1995 at an annual salary. That means A1 or A will be 5,000. Right? Then increment means bonus adding each year. That means that will be D, rupees 200. Right? In which year his income reached rupees 7,000? At the end, 7,000 he got. Right? So what will be 7,000? 7,000 will be AN. N is equal to 7,000. Then what you have to find out then? In which year? That means N you have to find out. So substitute all these things in the formula. N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. N is 7,000 equals A is 5,000 plus N minus 1 into 200. Then 7,000 minus 5,000 equals N minus 1 into 200. Here you will get 2,000 equals N minus 1 into 200. Then 200 you are taking to this side. 2,000 divided by 200 is equal to N minus 1. So 200 and 200 cancel, balance it will be 10. Right? So 10 is equal to N minus 1. So N is equal to 10 plus 1, you will get the answer 11. That means 11th year. Right? 11th year from 1995. 11th year from 1995 he will get rupees 7,000. Means which year it will be? 1995 plus 11. What will you get the answer? It is 2006. Right? 2006. So in 2006 he will get rupees 7,000. Not 700, it is 7,000. Hope that you all understood the problems which I did it here. Okay. Then balance problems you have to do it as homework. Thank you for listening my class. Thank you very much.